Good morning, students. This is the next session of your maths, and the first chapter is building with the bricks. Okay, in this session, you're going to learn few more informations about the bricks, arches, and also what is the jallies type of windows. Let's move on our chapter. And you just imagine you related two images, that is one is cuboid shape and next one is brick. You just related these two shapes. What you're getting? Yes, is exactly correct, children, because the shape of the brick is cuboid, isn't it? So I just see you have the brick point over there. The first you're the viewing the three faces you're seeing in this cuboid, and also the brick also you're getting the three sides, the face 1, and this is your face 2 and face 3, and your face 1 and face 2, face 3. Okay, but the exact correct faces for cuboid is 6 faces and 8 vertex. You already know the vertex means that is your corners of a shape, and also the line of each side, it should to be the edges. So the properties of cuboid is similar to that of brick. So therefore we finally find out the brick also have the 6 faces. The brick also have the 6 faces. Okay, and next we move on to types of the bricks. Here I displayed some types of building bricks here. You just look on, each and every one is differ from others. Can you understand? It's just listen all of you. Here the first one is different from next one, and next one is different from and throughout the next one. So the first and the 7th or 8th one are all bricks. Here I displayed only the 9 patterns of the building bricks, but there are so many patterns is there. Nowadays these patterns alone they are using for the construction works. Okay, now on your screen you just see the different wall patterns, that is different wall patterns, first one, second one, third one. You just see these all things are seen unique. Okay, they are not related to 1 and 2, one with another it will not related. You just see here. Okay, this will be help to draw the different types of the wall pattern. You can draw by using these patterns. Here also I displayed only the 9 patterns over here, but many patterns they are working out, but in nowadays the masons are regularly use these patterns alone. And next, brick with a jolly. Jolly is this is the pattern. You haven't seen anything the jolly patterns? Yes, in your schools, in your school and your house and grandma's house, and that grandma's house especially at village means they definitely construct the house with the help. Without this jolly they won't construct their houses. Yes, so this is nowadays it will be called out by windows. Now our houses or windows are seen just like iron windows here. No, this is a brick types of windows. The most different patterns and designs were designed about there. You just listen here. Each pattern is different from others, isn't it? These patterns is different from this is the whole pattern, and especially the block of this, and this is also here. Okay, and a few more patterns I just displayed here, and this is very nice to see this. Okay, this is very nice to see this. The floral design is there. Okay, and again you just see here the 4 types of the pattern is displaying here. 4 types of the jolly patterns is displaying here. Each one is very good. This pattern alone in olden days they are used in kitchen windows. They are used like this. They will pay out. Okay, and next one, This is a special thing. That is why this is a special thing means here we are going to study the arch type. See the arch. I'm showing that arch means you just see this window alone. See the window alone is your main part. Okay, you just see the window alone here, the main part. I just point out here. This is I'm saying mentioning the arches. Usually the arch means you some of things you can see over them wherever you see in our Chennai itself we most of the palaces, that is museums, Victoria Mall, like that in central railway stations, ribbon buildings, some of the, and also our secretariat. These places are definitely these arch of construction is there because the construction is made out by British peoples, and this is mostly seen in Russian pattern also. These pattern, these houses also the Russian pattern. In Russia, we mainly see this house like this. Okay, see here. This is special, and arch is here the triangular in shape, triangle in shape. That is that of without the three sides make the triangle, but here just the sides of the triangle they given out. See the different types of here also they meant some different typing here, and also there, and someone is there, and this is also you see this. So the arches means you now you understand what is mean by arches. Now we are going the very important space, that is Jacques Rose. Okay, you just see. You we have to see this. Okay, you just see this you see the how they getting to the arch like this. Yes, this pattern. The each the in architect, that is the civil engineers, they will know this about this architect works. This picture is very most famous well architecture cultural in Rajasthan, one of the state of our India. In Rajasthan, you can see this type of a palace over there. And this type of arch will be specialist known as Harokos arch. See here that this type of arches is mentioned by this name, by this Harokos model. And this one, see this is your specialized thing I am seeing here. You have any about the idea about this? See the main patterns on the edges itself, it seems to be the Indian culture also resembling, the Indian Hindus culture is resembling in all our the Hindus temples. We can see this pattern. Okay, the Gopuram Kalasam in Tamil it seems to be Gopura Kalasam, and see this arch pattern. See this is a specialized arch patterns, and some jali works also here made up. Some jali works also here made. Yes, it's very good. No, it seems very nice. Especially in our Indians, they can place these type of artworks in our puja places. Okay, now this is very important. Here I am displayed some 15 models of a Harokos model of Harokos arch models. Okay, see the first one in these 15 models, one similar thing is resembling here. What is that? You just guess that at the tip of the each model is similar to another one. So this the arch model itself is known this is definitely built out by Mughal empires. In Mughal empires they can give out these models, isn't it? See, very nice to see each and every pattern. The end at the tip of the pattern it will be similar to other one. Okay, students, now you understand what are the Haroka's arch model and the special arch brick metals and jali patterns. That brick jali patterns also you know, some wall patterns also you just learn so far. Okay, some building bricks also we just know. Okay, just go through with your parents and ask about these types of related questions. You can get some information about this. Okay, And next we can move out to solve out some problems, okay, which are given out on your NCERT book. Now we are going to solve some problems over here. That's page number 4, that NCERT textbook. The first question is, how to draw a brick. So brick is a shape of cuboid. So instead of brick, I can draw the cuboid also. Yes, in previous class also you know this, how to draw the shapes, 3D shapes and 2D shapes. Okay, just make a rectangle, join the corners. Okay, this is a full view of one brick, but in pattern of this is also known as a brick. Yes, this is a pattern of brick also. Okay, this is your first question. And second one, they asking, how many faces in all this brick have? How many faces, that is, in all this a brick have? Actually, a brick have 6 faces, isn't it? So a brick have 6 faces. I'm sorry, that is very important thing, 6 faces. And next question they asking, is any face a square? Okay, it is not possible. Isn't it? Because shape of the brick is cuboid. So just look here at the page number 4. This question is displayed. Which of these are the faces of the brick? Mark a tick. This question alone is just seen. So the answer is given below there. The brick shape is rectangle in shape. So though what are the shapes of rectangle is there, you just pick it out. And next question is move on. Which of these is a drawing of a brick? From the given figures, what are the exact drawing of a brick? The fourth one is the exact drawing of your brick. So the fourth question is, make a drawing of geometry box. To show 3 of its faces. So geometry box is cuboid in shape. So the three faces alone they are asking the okay. And this is your front view, and this is your top view, and this is your side view. This is the shape, that is why. Okay, the three faces of a box. Geometry box. And fifth question they are asking, can you make a drawing drawing of a brick which shows 4 of its faces? No, it is not possible to make a brick with faces of 4, isn't it? Okay, just have a look this. Next thing they are asking, in your page number of NCERT, page number 9, what they are asking means, have you seen arches in a bridge? This is your homework. Just fill this. Have you seen any arches in a bridge? And your second one, where else have you seen any arch? This is the second question I given a homework. Okay, just have look all this thing. Okay, just complete your, that second question is, where else have you seen as an arch? எங்கெல்லாம் நீங்கள் arch பார்த்துக்கீங்களோ, just complete the names. Okay, just mention the names where you're seeing. Okay children, thank you. We will see on next video. Take care.